Sneakheads.com.
Yeah, about to shit on these niggas. Yeah.
It's just the same damn shit, here we go again. It's just the same lame teams that's trying to win. They're trying to take my spot at the top, can't let that happen. We criminals for a reason, we get to clapping. The UFFL, the weak ass team fell. The Brooklyn criminals back like Cali and LL. Or NOTORIO, US, Mike Nunn, aka Michael. 3 rings, 5 years, dynasty. You can call me legend in this shit, I'm John Legend in this bitch. You get pregnant in this bitch. Say what, nigga? What I mean is, the grounds are fertile here. I bust my nuts off everywhere. And y'all like my baby mamas that I never had. Even though y'all hate my guts, you kids know I'm your dad. A couple rules changed, but the game remains the same. Some dudes left the chat, but your boy claps back. Don't try to tell me you didn't see this coming. Chasing niggas with an attitude, 200 miles of running. Shout out to the shotters, you did BK proud. But I'm coming from my spot back like when you get that bag aloud. The rest of y'all in danger. In my eyes, you see the anger. Shit even funny like my last name was Kramer. No matter who you draft, I'm gonna counteract that. No chill this year, 4 rings I swear. I'm throwing everybody under the bus with people in it. I got control of this fantasy shit like Kendrick. I don't need to name names cause my name's above all. So when I say you, that means I represent all y'all. So gangstar that shit. Don't know what that is? Then Google that shit. Take it personal, bitch. Who the fuck y'all thought it was supposed to be? If Mike Tyson came back, ain't no biting me. I'm unbiteable, I'm unwritable. Fuck y'all clubs, y'all draft players that ain't worth shit. Just give up. If I never ever win another motherfucking game, you'll still know my name. Mike Nunn, Hall of Fame, nigga.